Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your MetaTrader 5 settings on mobile. So if your charts, indicators, or layout feel messy, or you just want a fresh start, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. Now look for Manage Apps or App Management and open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type MetaTrader 5 to quickly find the MetaTrader 5 app. Once you see it, tap on MetaTrader 5 to open the app settings. Now tap on Force Stop and then tap OK to confirm. This will completely close the app and stop it from running in the background. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then confirm. Next, tap Clear All Data, then confirm. This will reset the app to its default settings. Now, open your MT5 app again and log in with your account credentials and server info. Don't worry, this won't delete your trading account. Your account is completely safe. Only your chart settings, indicators, and layout will be reset. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, your MT5 app is back to default, ready for a fresh setup.